Welcome in. Welcome to our Oktoberfest Integration Fiesta. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you something as exciting as Oktoberfest itself, the Integration Guide. But before we dive into the integration magic, let's ensure you have the right ingredients. You'll need access to Smart Jira Forms, Business Process Manager, and a Jira Automation. A basic knowledge of Jira is always helpful. Now, let's raise our steins and explore the incredible use cases of this integration. From managing brewery inventory to reservations at the beer garden, and even handling traditional food orders, this integration adapts to your Oktoberfest needs. Let's tap into the Oktoberfest magic with Smart Jira Forms, Business Process Manager, and Jira Automation. Start by creating a form for beer reservations. Customize it to suit your Oktoberfest beer garden. Building a template for brewery and food inventory. Next, brew up a template in the Business Process Manager to manage your brewery and inventory. Imagine you're the bar manager, and it's time to check the bar dishes check. Sometimes some items' availability may run out, especially on big events, so it's important to confirm that everything can be delivered. With our workflow template, this process is simplified. You can quickly access the inventory check form on your device. Enter the quantities, check the items, and submit. The system will automatically update the inventory database. Step 2. Kitchen inventory check with approval. Now, let's switch to the kitchen. The chef needs to check dishes availability and approve once order is ready. The approval is an additional step of supervision that is performed in the main step. So, by using an approver step, you can streamline any processes that are accepted by another person. Step 3. Order processing. Once the chef approves that the order is ready, the waiter receives the task to deliver. The waiter receives customer orders and can approve that the order is delivered. The waiter submits the order, and it goes to the designated approver. Finally, set up automation rules in Jira to process traditional food orders efficiently. Once the user submits the form, the Jira issue will create and the process template will start. Go to your Jira project settings and access the automation section. Create a new rule for the project where issues will be generated. Configure the rule to trigger based on issue creation based on form submissions. Use the copied start URL from Business Process Manager to initiate the workflow. Once the form is submitted, automation that starts the BPM process with the form for orders inside. The kitchen and the bartender check availability of ordered items and prepare orders. A waiter brings out beer and food to the customer table and approves that everything is delivered. And there you have it. An Oktoberfest to remember, powered by integration.